Are you eating the apple like a big boy? My goodness, look at that. You're like the the very hungry caterpillar. Yeah. Is it good, Drew? Wow, good job, buddy. Good job. What's wrong?
Apple.
Apple? Did some fall in your seat? It's okay. It's okay. You have another bite? Good. Good job. Don't eat the stem. There you go. Good job. All right. Do you go down your shirt? It's okay. Daddy's not going to believe this, buddy. Let me see. Are you getting close to that sticker? Don't get the rind. Or the... Here, let me... Oh, you're going to get the core. Hang on just a minute.